base po sa build ng katawan and sa amoy, sino po kaya siya?
Feeling ko si ano to, Ryan Gosling. Tama ba?
Medyo hawig po.
Medyo hawig?
Mas guwapo.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday.
Barbie Fortesa. Barbie Fortesa.
Andito ko eh.
There's quite a handful of actors in GMA that I really appreciate, and I see a great deal of myself with them. Parang si Barbie isa din. Kasi pareho kami taga Laguna, doon kami lumaki. I think I don't know if that counts, but iba kasi to, si Barbie. There's no words to really describe what kind of an actress this person is. Kahit ako hindi ko which is a good thing na hindi ko siya maintindihan bakit ganun kalawak yung willing siyang ibigay.
Hindi totoo. Alam niyo naman po ano.
So, yan guys, tingnan niyo na yung chemistry.
Chemistry! Nakikita niyo ba?
Hindi ka galit.
Talaga!
To the fans, salamat po sa inyong paniniwala, and yun, katulad ng sinabi ni David to Jeremy.
Nakakalawan tayo next time.
Kamay!
Tayo next time.
Kamay! Kamay tayo! Kamay!
Itong celebrations. Right, so yeah, I'm very much grateful.
Can you give some love?
Meron akong movie.
Oh, may movie!
Kasama si Barbie.
Sobrang saya ko kasi ang saya niya ka-work, and ngayon nakikita ko na ang laki na ng growth niya as an actor, and I can't wait to see him more and to see him grow as an actor, at sana ako pa rin ang kasama niya.
Piniligaw.
You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And yeah, hopefully magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming trabaho together.
And hopefully we get the movie and the teleserye this year. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed.
Ayan, basta marami po kayo maabangan. Hopefully a movie this year, yeah.
Or if given the chance, Maria Clara 2.0. Kami yung last na parang pwede pa siyang mag-transpose into something, into another world, diba? So hopefully, magawa namin yun. It's really a big dream of mine.
I'm really, really happy dahil naging parte ako ng Beauty Empire.
Oh, wow.
At kasi ako nalang Koreano, dun kasi ako naman Korean.
Nag-Japanese ka na eh.
Honto.
Oo.
Ay, stereo, Adri na.
Oh! Memorize. Ako naman, excited na akong maka-eksena ulit si David. Siyempre, ang tagal na nung huli kami nagka-eksena.
Oo nga, hindi na ako sanay na iba yung ka-eksena mo eh.
Basta! Talaga lang ha.
Hope to work with you soon again. Nakakamiss pag nakita ko sa Barbie na iba yung ka-eksena niya, parang ano ba ito? Hindi, joke lang, but I'm really happy.